YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, I'm on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers. I cannot do it without you guys. We are at a key milestone for Bitcoin, right? A moment of decision, 84.9, right? We're going to talk about it, guys. But before we get into it, gotta let you know too, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just the homie Crypto J. You should never listen to people off the internet. You should always speak to a financial advisor. So this is not financial advice. Don't buy anything off this video. All right, here we go. So you guys can see total market cap coming in at a 2.6, Fear Index coming in at 29, and Bitcoin again coming in at 84.9. What's gonna happen? What is this? Why is this? I didn't know that we were gonna be seeing possibly a break. Is this a break? Is this a fake? Little hard to say, but this 85 is good to see. Definitely. I mean, you guys could see. Let's pull up some of these more micro charts, as a matter of fact, just so we could kind of see what's going on. It looks like maybe we might be finding some kind of a bounce here, right? Off this Keltner channel, possibly. Let's see what the RSI is looking like. Interesting, right? Are we finding some kind of bounce off of this Keltner channel here, or are we going to reject again? Guys, we have not yet broken out, right? We're getting there, we're getting close, but again, not quite sure if we're going to see a break. The 1 week looking like we might, right? See this, we got to see a break out of this 86. Really, this is the zone that we got to really get out of. And then again, we do have some more support or more resistance around like 89. Kind of where I'm paying attention to this at. Yeah, this 88 area, 88, 89 area on this 3 month. Yeah, not showing anything there. Okay. Yeah, but as you guys can see, we're seeing some positive price action. Are we starting to pump? Interesting. Or are we going to create another shoulder on this, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder, right? This could be a rising wedge right here, and then shoulder, head, shoulder. That wouldn't be good. But interesting. Usually sometimes early in the week we do see fake outs. But I don't know. I always say real price action happens later on in the week, closer to Thursday, because again, market sentiment really sets in on Thursday, getting ready for the close of the market, and then the weekend sentiment is usually we see a little bit of sell, right? So that's just kind of what I'm thinking. Let's see what actually everybody else is thinking. We can't just blow by what everybody else is thinking. Let's see what the people are saying, right, as of late. So some people not talking about anything related, not related, not related. I wish I could filter this. Like nobody talking about Bitcoin. Nobody's talking about Bitcoin, bro. I guess Bitcoin's not exciting enough. You got all these bots in here now. Some people bullish, some people bearish, right? Okay, let's go talk about Toshi. Too much. That comment section is a mess. It's a mess. Get it cleaned up, CoinMarketCap. Get it cleaned up. It's a mess over there. Let's talk about some Toshi Coin, because again, that's what y'all here for anyway. Y'all ain't here for the comments. You're here for the Toshi. So you guys can see Toshi Coin doing its thing this month, up 50%. Past 24 hours, seeing a little bit of volatility alongside Bitcoin. But can this market make a move, or again, are people going to think that we're going to see a little bit of a retest? You guys could see here, we're possibly making another wedge on Toshi. This could be still a good pattern. This is not yet broken down, even though we are creating higher lows here. Look, boom, we could still catch off of this 2 hour. This doesn't look that bad to me. Again, 4 hours still in decision mode, hasn't broken down. There is a chance that we can break down. Of course, there's always a chance, guys, always a chance, but it doesn't look that bad. So we got to be careful on the 4 here, because we might have a bear flag here and then 2 rejections. Might signal a little bit of sell-off. Let's see what's happening on these other time frames. You guys could see the 12. We're still not yet closed this candle. It just kind of depends on how, again, Bitcoin wants to do it. Bitcoin wants to go up. I think there's a good chance that Toshi will go up. We're seeing this coin pump alongside Bitcoin, which again is good. Gives me confidence in this coin. Shows me that there's still confidence in this market with this coin. So yeah, maybe we can create some kind of a wedge here, break up, or again, okay, so on the 2 we got to break up out of this, some of this resistance right here. We rejected once, but we want to break out of that on the 2. And then, yeah, on the 1 we broke down a little bit, but we haven't closed this candle yet. We still have time in this 1 hour. Seen a little bit of sell off literally within a little bit, like 2%, just 2%. But at the same time, Toshi's still up 49%. That's what I care about. The volume that's going on throughout the week. We almost packed on 1,000 new holders, guys. That's amazing. That's amazing, guys. Just shows you that people are still buying Toshi, even at this price. And, you know, every time the price goes up, we're seeing the holder count go up a lot more. So, again, I'm looking for all these coins at cheaper prices if I can get them. But there's a chance that I can't get them. You know, I did say that my personal price prediction would be that Bitcoin needs to see another retest of 68. I already said that, but again, I could be wrong by tomorrow, really, because if this thing breaks out of this 85 or this above 86, then we could be looking at a recovery. Now, a couple of things happening on this 1 month on Bitcoin too is that, one, we could be creating like some kind of cup and handle pattern. That could be some kind of bullish activity. Maybe this uptrend is still some bullish activity. But also, look, rising wedge, not so good, right? And then again, if we're going to create a shoulder head shoulder here, right? It's also 3 retests of this zone that we did not break out of too. So a lot going on that 1 month, a lot of psychology going on that. I guess we'll kind of see what happens. Again, this 1 year chart looking like it could really break up or it could really break down. Wow. This is going to be a big week for Bitcoin. I'll tell you that this week will be very telling, boys. I think we will know this week, kind of how at least the rest of April will look, and probably the good part of May. And yeah, I want to know what you guys think, though. I gave you guys my price prediction. I think that around June, July, we'll start seeing the recovery. I think that this is just a little bit of, I don't know, maybe just a little bit of price acting weird, I guess. But I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below. Are you buying at this price, or do you think Bitcoin needs to drop down and see a retest of some lower levels? I'm very curious. Also want to know what you guys thinking about Toshi. Just realized my big head was in the way for most of the video. I'll get it together, guys. I'm sorry. But again, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. I appreciate you guys. We're on the road to 100,000. We're still going to Colombia, guys. Viva la Colombia. As far as I know. As far as I know. But again, it's all based off of the support that we get here. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you all so much, and I'll catch you next video. Peace.